Nothing. Nothing. Yeah.
Look at your hair.
Look. Oh, wait a minute.
Where's your bear?
See. What's that?
Come give him some love.
What's that?
Bear needs kisses.
What's that?
You better leave that alone. Let's leave this alone, okay? Okay. Where are you going? Are you going to give your bear some love? Where's your puppy? No, where's the real puppy? Go give him kisses. He doesn't listen. Go try again. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, you're so sweet. Aw.
Hi. Nice. What's that?
Yeah, that is nice. He has a nice haircut.
Yeah. Yes.
Where are you going now? Where's she going, Bear? You're going to get a haircut. Kate, come back. Are you going to brush his hair? That's a nice girl.
Yucky.
Bear's yucky?
But nice. Oh no, Muffin sitting. Listen. Sit. Oh no, don't listen.
Come here, Bear. Come here, sit. Come here. No, get off the couch. Oh, well, there you go. There you go.
Yucky. Huh?
Guess we're not using that comb anymore, are we?
I don't know what. Oh, she's Bobby.
What are you doing? Hi, Bear.
She's off.
What are you doing, Kate?
Yeah.
Go throw that in the trash. Or on the carpet, that's cool.
Well, I do much.
Tell Bear it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Then.
Good job.
No.
Ouch.
Bear.
Bear. Give Bear kisses. Look at you getting up on the couch, boy. Naughty. Thought you were done.
Dizzy. Dizzy.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm getting covered in fur. I love you. Kate. I love you. Hey. Hey. I love you. Do you hear me?
I love
I love you more.
you. Dizzy.
I love you more.
Bye, Mama. Bye.
More.
Oops. Dizzy. Bye.